Dina Wong at Ivy Lacks na update. Sa wakas nagkita na uli ang dalawang mag-couple after ng trip ni Boss D sa Canada. And of course ang first bonding nila ay kasama nila ang kanilang super cute na mga alaga. Sobrang natutuwa ang mga taga-subaybay ng DV dahil sa wakas nakita na uli nila ang kanilang namimiss na mag-couple. Super cute naman ang mga ito sa kuha na larawan na ibinabahagi nila sa social media.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you for watching.